Hello, students. Today we learn about the present simple tense. We use the present simple tense to talk about daily routines, habits, repeated actions, facts, and general truths. Example, I wake up early every day. She studies English at school. The earth moves around the sun. Now let us learn the rules of the present simple tense. Rule number 1. With I, you, we, and they, we use the base form of the verb. Example, I play football. You read books. We watch movies. They visit their teacher. Rule number 2. With he, she, and it, we usually add es to the verb. Example, he plays football. She reads books. It works well. Rule number 3. If the verb ends in s, esh, che, x, or o, we add es. Example, he watches TV. She washes her clothes. It goes fast. He fixes the chair. She teaches English. Rule number 4. If the verb ends in y and there is a consonant before y, we change y to I and add es. Example, study becomes studies, carry becomes carries, try becomes tries. Example in sentences, she studies every night. He carries heavy bags. The boy tries hard. Rule number 5. If the verb ends in y but there is a vowel before y, we only add s. Example, play becomes plays, enjoy becomes enjoys, buy becomes buys. Example in sentences, she plays tennis. He enjoys music. My father buys bread every morning. Rule number 6. For negative sentences, we use do not or does not. We use do not with I, you, we, and they. Example, I do not eat meat. They do not come late. We use does not with he, she, and it. Example, she does not like milk. He does not drive fast. Remember, after does not, the verb returns to the base form. Correct? She does not study English. Not. She does not studies English. Rule number 7. For questions, we use do or does at the beginning of the sentence. Example, do you play football? Do they live in Rwanda? Does she speak French? Does he work here? Remember, after does, the verb stays in the base form. Correct. Does he play football? Not. Does he plays football? Rule number 8. We often use time expressions with the present simple tense. Example words, always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day, every week on Mondays. Example, she always wakes up early. They usually eat rice. I never drink coffee. Rule number 9. We use the present simple for facts and scientific truths. Example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The sun rises in the east. Birds fly in the sky. Rule number 10. We use the present simple for schedules and timetables. Example, the bus leaves at 7 o'clock. School starts at 8 a.m. The train arrives at noon. Now, let us practice together. What time do you wake up? What games do you play? Does your friend study English? Do your parents work in the city? Thank you for listening. Practice the present simple tense every day and keep improving your English.